Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And if you're actually in business or you know anyone that is in business, we've actually got a very nice Ram 3500 heavy duty. It's a 2015 model that we're just getting ready to put on the lot. You can see in the back it's got multiple compartments on both sides for the box, but I'm going to show you a close-up of that here in just a moment. But we'll do a quick walk around on this and I'll show you the interior of this truck. Now engine wise, it does have a hemi engine, a 6.4 liter. Walk up here, you can see that. It is the 3500 heavy duty, obviously, but let's walk around here. Nice crew cab on this too. But while I'm over here, let me go ahead and pop these panels open and show you the space that is actually in there. You've got shelving that is already in this. Each of these do have locks on them. They are lockable, so you can see that one. Right there is your lock. So let me back off here and show you the capacity that you have inside of this truck. It's got good tread on the tires. Walk back here, you've got a heavy duty bumper on the back. And we'll walk up here, drop the gate down, heavy duty. So you've got steel plate. So, it's going to be able to take a beating. So if you are in business, you need a nice commercial grade truck, we just got this just going up for day number 1. And on the panels, the side door panels right here, they are identical to the ones on the opposite side that I just showed you. Body appears to be in very good condition on this truck. Let's go ahead and open the back up. Does have cloth interior, gray in color. You've got the black door panels, sufficient leg room spacing back here. Now, most importantly, let's get up in front, but before I do, I'm going to show you, you do have the collapsible mirrors on this, but they are heated. And then you do have the turn signals on these also. So let's go ahead and get up here, hop in. So bear with me here just for a second. We'll shut this door. And we'll go ahead and grab the key and I'll go ahead and start this thing up for you. And there's your command center. Turn the volume down. But let me go ahead and back away, show you the steering wheel, the instrument cluster, the gauges on this. As of right now, the mileage on this, 132,523 miles. Controls on this side for your lights, windows, door locks. Now on the steering wheel controls, these are actually for your instrument cluster to go through the different settings. And this truck does have cruise control right here. And we're going to pan over here to your audio, your radio, and then your heating, cooling right here. Then auxiliaries, 4 auxiliaries right here, and the adjust for your braking system. But you do have 4-wheel drive unit right down here on the floor. Plenty of cup holders, storage space here, opens up. You do have, if you can see this, USB port and auxiliary input and a 12-volt input. This does fold up, and I'll pan around here, show you there is all kinds of leg room that is back here, if you can see this. Couple cup holders here. But just wanted to take a minute and show you the Ram that we just got in. I'll go ahead and turn this thing off, hop outside. But overall, I'd say this truck appears to be worthy of taking a second look at. So like I said, it's a 2015 Ram 3500 heavy duty. It's got the 6.4 liter Hemi engine in it, so it's going to have plenty of power, torque to get you around. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Number up here, area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.